Hello guys, welcome to this episode 24 of the series of tutorials on curating the web API and consuming it with MVC in ASP.NET Core 3.1. I shall continue to upload one episode every day, and as I have done, and I shall walk through modifying the default home controller that comes up with the project template in this lecture. Since these episodes and the code base are built-in continuation from the previous ones, I request you to go through them before viewing this one. There are plenty of useful takeaways if you view the tutorials through to the end. So let's get back to the job of modifying the home controller. Modifying the home controller to simply start the application to point to the other pages like a customer controller or the order. Okay, so let's flip over to Visual Studio. So all I need to do is to just have this index view and no privacy. Privacy view is not required, and before that I don't need to inject the logger. Okay, and I'll get rid of this privacy, action method privacy, and all I need is this index action method, which returns a view which we'll create later. And as you can see that it is only using this Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.MVC library, and all the other libraries or using statements are not used at all. And I will build this application, Control Shift B again, to ensure that everything is hunky-dory, everything is working fine. So build succeeded. So I am fine. In this lecture, we have actually we have modified the home controller to be later used as a startup controller basically.